Now students, good morning. Uh, Last day I have discussed here from the 5.2 already I have started. So some math will be shown from there. Suppose here the question of the elimination method. So what do you mean by elimination method? You should be listening it first. Suppose 1 and 1. One and 1. What is say that 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Another part 2x minus 2y is equal to 1. Sorry, 2. So how you can do that? So this equation multiplied by 2, this equation multiplied by 3. So multiplied it 6x plus 8y is equal to 20. 6x minus 6y is equal to 4. Minus plus minus. So do that. 8 and 6 14. Y is equal to 20 minus 4, that is also 6, sorry, 6, so 14. So that's why y value is 1. Now put the values here. Suppose put y is equal to 1 in equation number 1. So whatever you can get it, 3x plus 4 into 1 is equal to 10. 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. 3x is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6. So x value is 2. Okay, clear? So you can get it. What is the answer? X value is 2, y value is 1. This will be your answer. Am I clear to all of you? Okay, next part. Next, another important math is there. Very important math is, suppose 3 and 1. 15x minus 14y is equal to what is given? 117. Another 14x minus 15y is equal to 115. So first of work, if you say, sir, I multiplied this by 14 and this by 15, okay, no problem. But the calculation making the bigger. That's why you can do it shorter. What are the way of shorter? So you can do it plus first. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 29x, same sign. 29y is equal to this. So take the common x. 29, take the common. 29 8 z and n9 72, 2 in 7, 8 to 16 plus 7 23. So this is the equation number 3. And again do that 1 minus 2. Now whatever the 15x minus 14x, that is only x. 14y minus 15y, that will become the plus. So that's why plus y is equal to this side will the minus become the 2. Have you got this? If you not got this, you can do the rough work in the side. If you not able to do that, see that 15x minus 14x, x minus 14y minus where the minus sign. That's why in case of minus you can do the plus. So 14y plus 15y, that is plus y, and 117 minus 102. Now you get the 3 and 4 equation. Now we can do the calculation over and there. So whatever you can get, x minus y is equal to, you can get 8, and x plus y you can get it 2. Now So already this sign is the minus, so no change. 2x, x plus x2 is 8 plus 2, 10. So x value is 10 divided by 2, that is 5. This is the equation number 3. This is the equation number 4. So put x is equal to 5 in equation number 3. So x minus y is equal to 8. X value is what? 5 minus y 8. Now minus y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. So we can write y value is 3. So whatever previous value, x value is 5 and y value is whatever you can get, minus 3. Minus 3. This will be answer. So in case of the biggest number, we do the elimination method, of course. But before that, we should do one thing. So we should do that what? We should first make it the plus from the first equation, and then second from the second equation, then do the calculation. I think it will become the more easiest way you can do the calculation. Okay. So just if you not understood it, you can previously move backward my video and see what are the process we can be follow. Just we have to do the 1 plus 2 number 1 equation plus number 2 equation and number 1 equation minus number 2 equation. Then whatever you can get, that is the equation number 3 and 4. Then you can do the calculation directly 3 and 4. This is the most easiest way you can solve this part, I think, because if you directly do the follow this type of big, when the big type of digit be given there, then if you can do the previous way, that is the first digit of the number 2 equation put in the second digit and second digit put multiplied by first digit, then it is, I think, that creating the problem. Okay, so in this way you can solve this part. In this way you can solve this part. I think you have not faced any problem for whenever this type of big calculation. Suppose if you see the second question, there are also the very biggest number be given there. So if you can not do the calculation, so during the exam time, I sure that you have required the lots of time. I sure that it is required the lots of time to do that calculation. Okay, so that's why you can perfectly do that work with using this method. Now next I'll discuss the another math. Suppose question number 7 at 2. X plus y by 2 minus plus y minus y by 3 is equal to 8. So 3 to 6 will be the LCM. 2 3 3 দিয়ে multiply x plus 1 and 3 2 2 দিয়ে multiply y minus 1 is equal to 8. So 3x plus 3, 2y minus 2, do the cross multiplication, 48. So whatever I can get is 3x plus 2y. 3 minus 2 you can get plus 1, 48 minus 1, that is 47. You can get one equation. Another calculation will be what? X minus 1 by 3 plus y plus 1 by 2 is equal to what is given there? 9. So 3 and 2 LCM 6 also. 3 there 2. 2 into x minus 1. 2 3 there y plus 1 is equal to 9. So 2x minus 2, 3y plus 3 is equal to 6 9 are 54. So 2x plus 3y, 2 minus 3 plus 1 go to that side the minus 1, so 53. So you can get the another equation. So, okay, so now I have to do the calculation with using of these two. First I will give 3x plus 2y 47, 2x plus 3y is equal to 53, This is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. Now already you know the multiply 2, multiply 3. 6x plus 4y is equal to 94. 6x plus 9y is equal to minus cancel. So minus 5y you can get 5, 6 minus be there. So y value will be 65 by 5, that is 13. Now put the value in equation number 2. So 3 into x, 2 into y, 47. 3x 26 is equal to 47. 3x 21. 7. So x value is 7, y value is 13. So this is the answer. X value is 7, y value is 13. So today up to this. Next I will discuss the next math.